Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer money from card to PayPal instantly. Now this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Now this is going to work like especially for people outside of United States. If you live inside the United States, you will be able to add the money just by clicking on transfer funds, and you will be able to see like 3 different options here instead of 2 options, and you will be able to see there add money or transfer money from card. And that's if you live in United States. But if you live outside of United States, there is another way which is the same, but it's a little bit there is like a small fee, but it's really worth it because this is the only way to like transfer money from your card, debit card or credit card, to your own PayPal account. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your PayPal account and you want to click on request here, as you can see. So after, guys, you click on request, you just need to enter here an email you have access to, so that you will request money from yourself, and then when you receive the invitation, then you can pay using your card. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to do this right now. I'm going to request money from my own self. As you can see, I'm going to click on next, and I'm going to request $200. And here it says here what's this for. I'm just going to say something like service, and then click on request money. Now when you click on request money, as you can see, it says here you requested $200 from this email, which is my email. Now I'm just going to go to my email right now, and as you can see here, guys, I will be able to see the invitation. Now I'm going to click here on trash or spam because probably it's not in my inbox. I'm going to reload the page. As you can see, it says here you have got it says service PayPal, you have got a money request. Just click on it. Now as you can see, you want to scroll down, and here you want to click on pay now. Okay, so it says here the amount requested and the transaction date, which is today. Now when you click pay now, then you will be able here, we either log into PayPal you have access to, or you can just click on pay without a PayPal account at the bottom. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. And then you will ask you guys for some information like the first name, the card that you want to use to pay, and that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. And then after you click that, click on I confirm, and then click I have read, and then click on agree and continue. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. Hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next tutorial. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you guys next video.